Hey guys, Mrs. Klein here. All right, this is April, week 3, day 2 for second grade math. Today's lesson is a little bit confusing, but I'm here to help. So I just want to kind of go over it real quick before we actually start writing on the paper. So the whole idea of today's lesson is to get us from one number to another number, and they want us counting using ones, tens, and hundreds. Now you might think, well, why would I ever count like this? Well, if you think in terms of money, you would sometimes count like this because you might count by ones if you have pennies, and then you also might count by tens if you have dimes, and then you might count by hundreds if you have dollar bills. Or if you're talking only about bills, you'd count by ones with $1 bills, you'd count by tens with the tens, and then if you had $100 bills, you would count by hundreds, and you might have to come up to a total using those coins or those bills. So that's where this can be used. And that's the whole idea that they're wanting us to do. They want us to go from one number to another, to a larger number, counting by ones, tens, and hundreds. So let's go ahead and open up our page here. Let's see here. Okay, so this first one, it wants us to go from the number 14 to the number 50. Now this one obviously does not go into counting by hundreds, but it does go from ones to also counting by tens. So we're going to start out, and to get from 14 to 20, we're not going to count by tens, guys. We're going to count by ones. So we're going to go 14, 15, 16, 7, oh, I knew that was going to happen. 17, 18, 19. All right, we got to 20. Now, how do we get from 20 to 50? We can't go 21, 22, 50. No. Let's start counting by tens now. Ready? 20, 30. Whoa, sorry, my 30 looks really weird. 30, 40, 50. There we go. Good job. You guys did it. Now, do you guys kind of get the idea of what's going on here? All right. So now we're going from 73 all the way to 320. We're going to count by ones, tens, and hundreds to do this. Okay. Actually, we're not going to. Yeah, we are. We're going to count by ones, tens, and hundreds. Sorry. I had to think. Okay. So to get from 73 to 80, we can't count by tens with this many spaces. Yeah, we're going to count by ones. So 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 70. Oops. Oh my goodness. You guys, that's supposed to be a 7. 78, 79, and then 80. Now, how do we go from 80 to 100 in only one space? We can't say 81, 100. No, let's start counting by tens. Ready? 80, 90, 100. Okay, now 100 to 300. We can't say 100, 101, 102, 103. No. Yeah, we have to start counting by hundreds now. Ready? 100, 200, 300. Oh, we can't go to 400 because look, 320 comes here. So now we have to start counting by tens. It's the 10 spot that's changing now. Ready? 300, 310, 320. There you go. This is tricky, but you guys are getting it. All right, ready? Let's do C together. To go from 65 to 70, we're going to count by ones. Ready? 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. All right, now to go from 70 to 100. Can't count by ones. 71, 72, 100? No, let's count by tens. Ready? 70, 80, 90. Oops. Oh my goodness. 90. There we go. Oh my goodness, that's a 0. That's supposed to say 90, guys. 100. Okay. I'm going to let you guys do D all by yourself. I think you guys can do it. Okay, you're going to start out counting by tens. I'll give you that clue. Okay, start out counting by tens. All right, ready? Question number 2 says, these are ones, tens, and hundreds. How many sticks are there in all? Now remember, the ones that are in groups like this, these are tens. The ones that are just alone like this, these are ones. And then the big bundles like this, these are 100s. So let's see, we have 10 here. We have a 1. Another 1. Another 1. Oh, we have a 10. We have a 100. Okay, we have another 100. 100. We have a 1. We have a 10. I'm just kind of writing up and down so they don't run into each other because my pen on here is kind of hard to write with. 10. We have another group of 10. And then we have a group of 100 here. Okay. So let's figure out how many go in the ones spot. Count all the ones for me. Ready? Do it and then tell me. Okay, how many ones are there? 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 groups of 1. So, or there's 4 ones. So we have 4 in the 1 spot. Now, how many groups of 10 are there? Go ahead and count and then tell me. Yeah, there's 4 groups of 10, which is 40. So we're going to put a 4 in the 10 spot. Okay. Now, how many groups of 100 are there? Yeah, there's 3 groups of 100. So 300. Ready? 344 sticks in all. Good job, guys. All right, question 3 says, show a way to count from 668 to 900 using ones, tens, and hundreds. This is what we did above, but now we're going to do it all by ourselves down here. I'm going to actually switch to my typing because I think it will be easier for me to actually write for you guys. Okay, let me make this a little bit bigger. Ready? I'm going to type the numbers and you guys are going to write them with me. So we're going to start out by counting by ones. Okay, so we have 668, 669, 670. Here's a good spot to start counting by tens. Ready? 670. We have 680, 690, and then 700. Here's a good spot to start counting by hundreds. Ready? We have 700, 800, 900. We just went from 668 to 900 by counting by ones, tens, and then hundreds. Very good job. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for doing this paper with me. I love and miss you all. Love and hugs. Bye.